And we kind of need to try to get a little bit like that. Santa Fe, New Mexico, behind us. Beautiful place at about 7,100 feet high, so it's quite high elevation, and apparently it's sunny most of the year. I think over 300 days, except for the
full 2 days we had here, where I had a winter hat on. I was going shopping for gloves. My feet were freezing.
It was very cold,
and we still enjoyed it.
We did. I think we saw about a third of their annual rainfall while we were here.
Two favorite things. One is they have this really cool church that you can go and have a look at, and it's a historic site, and it has this really wild, like one of the mysteries of the world. How does this spiral staircase stay standing? It has no centerpiece to it, so you got to go see that. It's awesome. And then they have the best farmers market. So if you like farmers markets,
Saturday morning,
go.
Farmers market was amazing.
You'll be in your happy place.
Very cool. That's worth checking out. And the little
and you know what, we didn't go, which is so wrong.
Yeah.
But everybody that we met, because they're such friendly people here in Santa Fe, said go to Meow Wolf. And we did not go to Meow Wolf. But if you go, let us know.
Yep. Now let's go finish.
Be careful of Mr. Nips. Or the other two.
I think we'll just go right here because they'll be pretty. You want to just go here?
Sure.
And we'll swap sides just for the fun of it. The thing I like about Santa Fe is it's a small town, but kind of a big town. So I think there's only about 100,000 people, but it kind of punches above its weight. It's really friendly. It's easy to get around. There's no tall buildings, so it feels like a small town. But there's tons of art galleries and beautiful jewelry.
Super clean.
Very clean,
very clean,
and lots of great restaurants. So there's plenty of things to enjoy.
And the buildings are done to complement the landscape, which is something I've never seen on such a wide scale. It's very, very cool.
Apparently there's millions of acres of public land behind us. We're on a horse equestrian sort of farm again.
We have realized from this trip we love horses.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have a favorite here. We have called him Mr. Nibbles.
He's behind us somewhere.
He got his title because that's what he does.
So come check out Santa Fe. It's a beautiful place. I would definitely come back here, and it's a really nice place to have a good time.
And there are lots of places that you can go that are sort of within sort of 45 minutes of here. You can see the carvings into the walls, caves and stuff like that.
You can go to Taos, you can go skiing. It's hiking, tons of hiking and outdoor activities. So
hey, maybe
quite a nice place.
Maybe one day we'll move here. You never know.
Never know.